Sean got it all, bitch.
Asithi nje ukubonga kuSean Beats neBeats mfowami. Bona ngathi khona baphila kabuhlungu ngenxa yale universe. The chosen ones. Azange sayidopha estradini wasayincelebeleni. Sazalwa nayo
It's
lento.
by an alpha.
Look, ngithi ayihlale phansi bamba umthetho sebafikile abaphatha sikathole ngisho isimemo bazama ukusibeka phansi but they know it from the ghetto and ngenkathi sabathakathi mele kuvukwe kushisa impepho cause they hate it i-beating lens i-railway ngiyi-metro mase ngihold i-mic ngiba fast ngathi kekho bafakela nokushisa yingako badinga i-aircon futhi ngisengathali so that was just a hello buka umkhukhu thunya intuthu kufike mina uNkulunkulu inkinga baba blind vela baboni izibhukubu ayikasuki ikhushukhushu emculo ngoba nima futhi but bafuna ibeef kodwa umlilo wabo uhlulwa inkukhu we the best anifuna ukuphuma inga yena nifuna ukubukwa noma nifuna ukuvuka akwaziwo futhi ngicela ubuza wayini izibhukubu nisibangela ifukufuku ufike scam ukunuka indunu ubadlala itunutunu uthokoza ufike kuqala athi ngisale ngimseva I know I'm not a waiter but I think uyadeserve ngingubhema kakhulu bese usitshela ukuthi yaba-enter kanti cha ne-threat edinga i-service imamela ne-voice box evithikile wangibangisa ibhithi angithanda ukukhuluma nama-rapper anganahithi you try to wear my shoes i-oversize azikufithi kuthiwa isando ngoba imbaza isigogodi ispikiri if you think ungawisa i-civil uzigubhela umgodi asilwe ngama-lyrics niyeke ukuringa udodi everywhere lasihamba khona refarisi yingozi futhi asketchi nasempini sihamba namadlozi my lyrics ama-weapon inkinga sirapha nama-amateur if this game is a movie then yimi main character abahlale phansi babukela bofele ba lawa ama-hiti everyday as dropping a calendar
abantu ababhema izola bekho right, they can never say a word